So today we will talk about central tendency. How do you measure central tendency? This is a part of the syllabus. Basically, short, in very roughly, people must be heard about central tendency. That is mean, median, mode. You are trying to find out a of a group of variable data. You are trying to find out what is the central part or the main part. So you can do it by three means. One, you can do an arithmetic mean, you can do a median, you can do a mode. This is central tendency. So these are measures of central tendencies. So let's go to the whiteboard. Are you able to see whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
So central tendency or measure central tendency. So what are the measures of central tendency? You know them. First is the mean or arithmetic mean. Just hold on. Arithmetic mean, median, mode, and all their variations. So let us talk about arithmetic mean. What are the arithmetic mean? So basically, you can represent it is actually summing up of all observations and dividing by total number of observations. So this is basically arithmetic mean. So total number of observation number, that is represented by n, and the variables or the observations. The observations are the variables which vary, and they are represented as x1, say x2, x3. It can go up to xn, where n tends towards infinity. It can be any values, total number of values. So the sign of arithmetic mean is x bar. This is equal to sigma. This is the sum of summation. Total number of observation n. Each x observation increases by 1. x1, x2, x3, x4. It increases by 1, and that is known as I equal to 1. Increases by 1. So 1 के बाद 2 आता है, 2 के बाद 3 आता है, 4 आता है. It comes like this. The summation divided by the total number of observations. So this actually, if you write this is a small symbol. This you can write as x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus it goes up to xn divided by n. So this is the arithmetic mean. So basically the steps are add together all values of x. X and divide by the number of observations. So let us take this data. This is say marks obtained in CC1. CC1 in zoology department, BV college. So you can write it as roll number. Say there are 10 people. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's write their marks. Say the first person gets 67, second person gets say 69, third person gets 66, fourth person gets 68, fifth roll number gets 72, then 63. So then 76, say 65, 70, and 74. So these 10 people, they get marks like this. So total number of n is equal to 10 and sigma of x, the sum of all of them. This is equal to 4, 5, 9, 6, 13, 60. That is equal to something like 690. बाद में check कर लेना. This is I've done a very fast calculation. Okay. So the mean will be bar x sigma x by n. That is 690 by 10. That is 69. So arithmetic mean is, this is known as the clear. समझ में आया ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to where was the plus? I forgot. Oh, ये इसके नीचे चला गया. Okay. Next, let us go up to median. We will talk about different types of ways by which you can do it, but let's go to median. So let us go to median. So what is the median? Median, it is the middlemost point or the central value, the middlemost point. Of the set of variables. Okay, so how do you calculate median? Means, for example, what is the एकदम central means? So how to calculate median? You have it as simple series in the case of where you use ungrouped data. You have not grouped the data like in your CGPA system 70 to 80, 80 to 90 kitna hai, 80 to 50 60 to 70 how many, 70 to 80 how many. So that is the group. But when you just have the raw data all together, then it is not grouped. So you use this for in ungrouped data. So the first thing is, what you have to do is, you have got a lots of data ungrouped. You have to arrange the data in either ascending or descending. Arrange data in ascending or descending order. Data in ascending and descending order. The first thing you do it. Then after you arrange the data, you have to, if the numbers are odd, if the number of observations are odd, the value of the middlemost is the median. Value of the middlemost is the median. That is, n is equal to odd. So here, median is the n plus 1 by 2th value. That is equal to m, median. When n is even, जब होता है, then there are two middle terms. Median value. That is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 value. That is median. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So for example, let us do an example. कुछ डेटा प्लेस करते हैं 21 whatever आजी बाजी होने दो 21 12 49 37 88 46 55 74 63 So the first thing is arranged in order. तो पहले आएगा 12, उसके बाद 21, 37, 37, 46, 49, 55, 63, 74 and 88. पहले कितना हुआ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So n is equal to 9. The number of observations are 9. Clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So median क्या 9 होता है odd term, ठीक है? So n by n plus 1 by 2. This is 9 plus 1 by 2. That is 5. So the fifth term. 1 2 3 4 5. So 49 होना चाहिए median. Fifth item, that is 49 is median. So clear about this median?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now एक odd value देख के let us see odd value. Page कहाँ पे plus odd value एक लेते हैं. Next data. हम 88, 72, 72, 33, 29, 70, 86, 54, 91, 61, 57. ये इवन हो गया तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. हाँ, इवन. So let us arrange the data in ascending or descending order. कम से ज्यादा 29, 33, 54, 57, 61, 70, 72, 86, 88, लास्ट में 91. So यहाँ पे it is n is equal to 10 and that is even. ठीक है? So एक होगा n by 2, that is fifth term, and n by 2 plus 1, that is sixth term. So the two median will be 1, 2, 3, 4, this one and this one, fifth and sixth. So the median are 61 and 70. And what you have to find among them? The average medianth term divided by 2. That is the average. 131 by 2. That is 65.2 to 2 fives. 2 sixes. 2 sixes are 2 fives are 10. 65.5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the बहुत सारे मीडियन होता है. Let us go to the mode. Mode क्या है? Mode is you have to find the value which is repeated maximum number of times. Maximum number of times you have to find the value. So let us give a random value. 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 1, 5, 3, 3, 1, 5, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 7, then 6, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Now in this, you have to prepare a table. Say the value and number. Normally you have 1 to 7 over here. So where 1 has been repeated 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 2 has been repeated 8 times. 3 has been repeated 14 times. 4, 3 times. 5, 4 times. 6, 2 times. 7, 1 time. So from this data, 14 is repeated maximum number of times. So this is the mode. Clear? Mean median mode.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then on the next day we will go into much more difficult parts of mean median mode.
The mode is equals to 3 or 14.
For 14. You are trying to find the
Okay,
central tendency. Okay, the central value. Hamesha whenever you are talking, it is not the number of observations. Okay, it is always when you are talking about central tendency, you talk about a central value. It's always a value, एक variable का value. Whether it's a mean, your beach wala value, you are trying to find out the beach wala value. Okay. So there are three ways to do it. That is mean, median, and mode. This is central tendencies. So there are different types of mean, median, mode. You can talk about group data, continuous data, frequency table data, discrete data. So everything mean, median, mode can be calculated. Yes, सब चीज different types of questions can come. We will discuss that next day. कल क्या तुम लोग फ्री हो? कल नहीं तो Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes,
then
sir.
Saturday हो जाता है तब. रुचि कुछ क्वेश्चन है?
नहीं सर, कल भी हम लोग फ्री है, मतलब कल भी ले सकते हैं, कोई
कल
दिक्कत
फ्री
नहीं है।
है? कल फ्री है?
अच्छा,
Yes,
कल
sir.
सुबह है,
हाँ, सुबह.
हाँ,
ट्यूशन
sir.
होगा ये लोग का ना।
किसका? हाँ,
अनाड़ी लोग का।
पीडी सर का
हाँ,
है.
पीटी सर। हाँ
हाँ. नहीं, तब सैटरडे नेक्स्ट डे बोलो. when
ठीक है सर,
Saturday
सैटरडे
Yes, sir.
ठीक।
Saturday পড়নালি?
Okay, sir.
ओके, ঠিক আছে. সকালের দিকে. ठीक है. वी विल ज्यादा डिले नहीं करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि we will lose the momentum.